Hello everyone, this is another project, a super automatic emergency light. You can see the number of lead cells that are here. Then we want to show you how this circuit works. These are bulb, LED base. This is the adapter, the power supply. This is the battery bank. We have a DC relay inside. Then you have the two power, one showing you when the lead bulb is on, then the other is for the power input. Now you saw what happened. Whenever there is power, the lead bulb automatically goes off, and once there is power outage, it means you are covered. You don't have to bother yourself looking for where your switch is. The whole thing happens automatically. Let's show you again. Now with this, you can see from the pack, this light now is showing you that this lead bulb is on, but actually it can never light because of the relay inside it. There is a disconnect from it because of the presence of electricity. So whenever the light goes off, automatically the lead is on. Then you now have to off it when you don't want any power, but whenever you want to keep it on standby mode, this is what you do. Put it, this is the lead, the power, the mains lead, there is power, the whole system is off. Then you ask yourself, how do you now design this kind of circuit? What you actually need is a 12 volts adapter. If you can't design your own, then you configure the batteries in 12 volts. That's 3 in parallel and also 3 in series. If you want to make this size, then you have your relay inside, the two output indicators, one showing you when your circuit is on, the other showing you when the power is on. Then this is the other port. This port is for the mains input, the power from the adapter, and this one is now the output plug. So when we bring the circuit diagram, you now understand everything, but actually this is just a simple way of designing your own super automatic light. Thank you. Okay, we want to show you how we made this automatic standby light. We use three major components there. We have AC to DC converter, which serves as a source of power supply. These are battery bank, 12 volts battery bank. We use that lithium ion battery. This the changeover relay, 12 volts DC relay, and the output bulb. Here we configure the bulb you are seeing there as a 3 volts 333 in series, making it 9. Then with a 10 ohms 10 watts resistor. Then how does it work? With this, since this is your power supply, it will charge the battery automatically once you connect this port to the power supply. Then as the current is charging the battery, there is a tap to the DC relay so that it will click disconnecting the bulb from the power supply and from the battery. We have two indicators, one which is this, which is serving you as the input indicator, sorry, and the other one is the output indicator. It is connected from the other side of the switch, so that once the system is on, whether there is power supply or not, it will be showing you that this system is on and it is on standby mode. So with this simple circuit, you see that you can design your own automatic standby light, so that in the event of power outage you don't have to be in darkness. So with this, we are just packaging these things to carry everybody along, whether you are an expert or you are just learning. So we believe with this simple diagram and coupled with the other video you are seeing, then it will give you everything you need. It will equip you to building your own. For our die fans, we know that this will help you a lot. This a simple circuit from JF Green Energy Concept. Keep watching our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.